Hello, I am Rans Andre M. Bercasio. I'm your teacher quality. Before that, I am Rans Andre M. Bercasio, and I am your teacher for today. So, what is properties of equality? Properties of equality mainly nine, namely addition property, subtraction property, multiplication property, division property, reflexive property, symmetric property, and transfer transitive property, substitution property, and square root property of equality. Properties of equality give the relation between two quantities that are equal and how the equation remains balanced after applying an operation. When an operation addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division is applied on both sides of an equation, the equation is still hold true. So, what are properties of equality? So, describe the relation between two equals quantities, and if an operation is applied on what side of the equation, then it must be applied on the other side to keep the equation balanced. However, the property does not change the truth value of an equation. That is, the properties that not impact the equality of two or more quantities are called the property of equalities. Such as property of equality help us to solve various algebraic expression or algebraic equation and define an equivalent relation. So first, we will going to define reflexive property. Reflexive property of equality. So first, let's define reflexive property of equality. Reflexive property of equality, every real number is equal to itself. We can express it mathematically as for an arbitrary real number x. We have x is equal to x. So uh, it focuses on uh, the not the real numbers is equal to itself. So reflexive property of equality. And the next one is symmetric property of equality. States that when a real number is x is equal to a real number y, then we can say that y is equal to x. This property can be expressed as if x is equal to y, then next one is transitive property of equality. The transitive property of equality is defined as for the real numbers x, y, and x, when x is equal to y and y is equal to z, then we can say that x is equal to z. If mathematically, we can express this property of equality as for real numbers x, y, and x, if x is equal to y and y is equal to x, then we can say x is equal to z. So let's have an activity or let's have an example. And next one is transitive property of equality. The transitive property of equality is defined as for the real numbers x, y, and x, when x is equal to y and y is equal to z, then we can say that x is equal to z. If mathematically, we can express this property of equality as for real numbers x, y, and x, if x is equal to y and y is equal to x, then we can say x is equal to z. So let's have an activity, or let's have an example. So the general formula of transitive property is that if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then A is equal to C. Hence A, B, C, A, B, and C are three quantities of the same kind. This property holds good for real numbers. So the example kanina, if x is equal to m and m is equal to 7, then we can say that x is equal to 7. Thank you. One property of equality. For real numbers x and y, if we have x is equal to y, then we can substitute y in a place of x in any algebraic equation or expression. In other words, we can say that if x is equal to y, then y can be substituted for x in any algebraic expression to find the value of x, or unknown value, or unknown variable. We can express the substitution property as for real numbers x, y, and z. If x is equal to y, then and x is equal to z, then we can say that y is equal to z.